Hi there. Recently, I ran a campaign for government organizations named BGB, and this campaign is already completed. Let me show you the result. Okay, let's open the chart. This campaign is launched for video views. We have got almost uh, 15 million video views. If I want to show you from Facebook, you can see from here. Also, you can see from professional dashboard or inside. Okay, we can see from here we have got around 1.5 million video views, and you can see yesterday campaign was completed, so today has no views. Okay, and we have got around 12,000 interaction, 85 followers with this campaign. So what was this? This was the content that I have promoted, and if I want to show you, their main audience was 25-34 male audience, and they have got huge number of response from the audience. And if I want to show you about the content, let me show you. This was the content. You can see from here. This was the content. You can see 11,000 react and 117 comment and 400 plus shares. So this is a huge amount of result, because this budget was very low. You can see it from here. Budget is only $57. Okay, so with this low budget, we have got a maximum result from here. You can see lifetime budget was 57, and we have spent $57.03. So this campaign was successful, and client was very happy, and he promised me that he will work with me again. So this was the preview. Thank you.